Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday liner and I will share with you some tips. First of all, I'm starting by shaping the outline of the wing. The truth is I prefer liquid eyeliner so I can have more precise results. Second step is filling the outline with some black eyeliner, and I try to make it as pigmented as possible. You always want to check the first wing when you do the second wing, so this helps you more with symmetry. Just after, I like to clean a bit the edges, that's why I use some makeup remover and some cotton. I apply the makeup remover on a brush, I prefer a flat brush. And like that I have a more crisp result. Last but not least, I like to use some concealer for even cleaner lines. A little bit here and a little bit down here. And voila, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it and I wish you to see you back soon to my channel. Have a great day, bye bye!